Ndewo, welcome to Learn Igbo channel. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. I'm a cultural consultant and historian, and in this video I just wanted to say thank you, my subscribers. We just hit the 10,000 subscriber mark and I'm so happy, and you know, things can only get better. My goal in this channel is to teach you Igbo language, Igbo culture, Igbo heritage, Igbo history, and everything that is Igbo really. Next month is the Black History Month in the United Kingdom, and we'll use that to I'll use that to create some content around Igbo history, because there's a gaping hole in our collective knowledge about Igbo history, and that's what we're going to be sharing the whole of October. But I just wanted to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, and keep those likes and comments coming, because I create content based on what you want to see. So if you want me to talk about any topic at all, just send a message in one of the comments below, and then I'll do as much as I can to bring quality content to you. And before we go, I have to tell you what 10,000 means in Igbo. 10,000 is puku, and 10,000 is puku iri. If you haven't yet done so, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that whenever I put new videos, you get an instant notification. So stay tuned for more interesting videos and other types of content coming to this channel. Daalu rinne. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Come here.